4 years ago, my sister Ivona died of rare cancer. She was just 41, leaving behind a young family. Since her death, I have been researching how to cure rare cancers. What she died of was sarcoma, and this is what I'm studying now. Sarcoma is one of the deadliest cancers which can be found across the body in muscle, cartilage or fat. There is not much research in this area, and clinical trials are pretty slow to produce results. The number of sarcomas has been increasing since 1990. They kill mostly children and young adults. Currently, the way we fight these cancers when they spread around the body is using chemotherapy. The problem is it isn't always effective and causes terrible side effects that are almost as bad as the disease itself. Over the past few years, new treatments have made it possible to cure lung or skin cancer by getting the patient's own body to fight the disease. I want the same success for sarcoma patients. I'm confident that my research can do that with your help. I'm going to set up a new clinical trial to give people with this terrible disease a better chance to survive, a better chance than my sister ever had. Thank you for your support.